Calling all you dog lovers out there. Did you know that franchising is more than food and retail? That there are franchise businesses in dog services? Dog services? I meet a lot of people every day who think that franchising is only food and retail. But there are so many other fun types of businesses that you can own. Businesses that are home-based, lower investments, don't require tons of employees, get you outside and working with some of the cutest clients in town. So if this is you and you're excited about the idea of owning a business that you could be truly passionate about, think about people like me that love my dog. And I don't want to take my dog to just anybody when I have to travel. There are franchise businesses that offer dog boarding. Do you see this beautiful coat of hair? There are franchise businesses that groom these sweet little dogs, and I spend a lot of money grooming my doodles. I would love to be the one that owns that business. There are franchise businesses that walk backyards and scoop poop. Now, that may not be the most fun way to work with our furry friends, but it is a very practical business, and you could never argue with me that that thing is not recession resistant. There are all kinds of franchise businesses out there, so much more than the food and the retail that most people think of when they think of franchise business. My name is Kim Daly, and I'm a franchise consultant, and I would love to help you learn about these franchise businesses where you can have the cutest clients in town and really enjoy what you do. If I can be your franchise consultant, please follow the email on the screen right now.